What's up, everybody? We're back. Another video, another truck, another ceramic coating package. Today is going to be all about this bad boy right here. This, ladies and gentlemen, 2018 GMC Denali. It is loaded to the nuts. It's an awesome truck. It does have some small problems though for paint correction. That's why it's here, and the ceramic coating packages that we offer. So we're going to do a spot touch up on some of the scratches that are in here, mostly on the rear deck where it was used in a Calgary Stampede apparently, and they strapped some stuff to the side bed. And then we're going to refine the entire paint job like we always do, give it that clarity, that crispness, that nice look that I love. And once we're done with that, we're going to use Gyeon, by the way, to do everything except one thing. We're going to put Tevo Creations ceramic coating on here. It's a product called S60. It's a 5-year product. We're going to throw 2 layers of it on here, and we're going to put a top coat on, and also do the glass from Tevo. We're going to do the rims, I believe, from Tevo as well. Got to look through the package one more time. But other than that, it's going to be Gyeon everything. Gyeon iron to decontaminate all the salt and iron off the truck. Gyeon tar to get rid of all that other stuff. We're going to use Gyeon foam. We're going to use Gyeon bath. We're going to use just Gyeon. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching as always. And yeah, this bad mamma jamma is about to look really nice. Here we go. So it's funny, went around the entire truck and just finished that part up just to show you guys what we do with a little paint thickness gauge. The customer said that he thinks something's wrong, funny going on with the other side of the 2 doors. He thinks that maybe there was damage upon shipping and that somebody had repainted it and just failed to tell him about it. And I'm thinking he's right. If you measure up here, the average consensus is around 118 to 120. And if you go down to here, it's around 160. On the other 2 doors, which is where its concern is, here, let me show you guys. Sorry, it's going to be shaky for a second. Anyway, if you check out over here, you're going to see that, again, 120 was our average over there. So that's 236. Okay. $184. 178, getting close to normal. 216. 209. Now, let's go back over here and let's check this out one more time. And I'll show you guys up close what I'm talking about. So, 123, 121, this is factory. 132, 135, so let me ask you a question. Let's do simple business talk here. Do you think the manufacturer, with all of the money that they got and all the resources that they have, is pushing out paint products and paint schemes that fluctuate as much as that? And do you think they're wasting that much clear coat on 2 doors on that side, but on this side they're keeping it right in the parameters of being factory, which is anywhere between, again, 118 to 120, something like that. Some of them are a little bit higher, which is great, but it's right in that area. The other side being over 200, that's why I love my paint thickness gauge. It helps me kind of do my detective work and figure out what's really going down. And I think the customer's right. I think there was some damage done to it in the beginning, and now I'm able to kind of figure that out as opposed to guessing. I can say for a fact that the clear coat levels, which is great for the customer, but it's definitely been worked on the other side, even though it was sold to him as a brand new truck and no problems. So again, it is what it is. It's not the end of the world. Life goes on. Truck looks pretty good, but he just had some concerns about the honesty of the sales. So anyway, there you go. With this truck, we did everything Gyeon for the washing and decontamination process. And for the actual ceramic coating, we thought we would do a new ceramic coating on the market called Tevo. They sent me a sample package a while ago and did some testing with it, and it came out really nice. They have a couple different packages. One is I think it's called the T36, T something, I think it's T36. That's their 2-year product. It's an oil-based product. It's pretty good. Has a greasy effect at first, and then it wipes away pretty well. The T60, which is what this truck got, is their 5-year ceramic coating product, and it's an alcohol base. It doesn't have any greasy effects to it whenever you're wiping it on, so you don't get that why the hell am I shaking so much? You don't get that look of rainbow effects on it. So when you apply it, you really got to make sure to take care to make sure that you get every single bit of it off. That's where your flashlight or your torch, as they like to say in England, comes into effect. There really is no forgiveness for it. So it went on smooth, came off really well. Pretty good product. I'll definitely be looking at it in the future to either keep it in the stock or do some more testing on it. But the T60, I definitely felt comfortable putting it on this client's truck, and I really enjoyed it. I think he's going to enjoy it as well. Like I say, 5-year product, pretty damn good, and it's right on par with the market. So anyway, appreciate it. If you guys like the video, you want to see more videos, hit the like button, subscribe to us, and I always ask everybody, if you have anything you want to see, let us know. We get some really random cleaning jobs, and you'd be surprised. Anyway, hit us up. Thanks. See you next time.